Hi, here we are at Hill Meadows in the basement with the gas fireplace. I'll try to be good about giving you directions on how to light this. It's fairly simple. It's a fireplace with a remote. On the remote, you're going to see a little red button for power. So we're going to turn that on and you're going to hear a beep on the fireplace in the background. The lighting's not great here, but you've got some options on your remote, but you're going to hit menu and it's going to give you a few more options. You're going to toggle down to flame. There we are. And we're going to hit select. And voila, you have fire. To turn off, you're simply going to hit that red power button again, and off you go. Thanks.